Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In case you have connected your phone, this is a S26 Ultra via USB cable. It's connected to this PC, but I wanted to notice here that the phone is actually charging. If you have connected to your PC and all that's happening is your phone is charging, but you want to access the files and you're only charging, this is what you do. So if you check it out here, if I launch the File Explorer, and if I go here and go to this PC, you'll see your phone, but if you open it, it shows no files. Even if the phone is closed and you open the phone, you'll notice that there is no files, sorry. There's no files and the phone is only charging, all right? So I'm gonna show you to fix that in order to start accessing your files on your phone. So the first thing you do, guys, is swipe down. Oh, this is in focus. You're gonna go here. It says that option there that says use USB charging phone. Tap on that option. Then you'll make sure that's on this device, and you have two options to access your files. Either you're gonna use transfer images, although it says transfer images, which is this option. It can also remove video files, and you can have transfer files. Now, when you go and transfer files, you'll get a whole bunch of files. That's all the files will be shown, and that will include other stuff other than your main files, or you can use the option that says transfer images. You can still do video. As for the best option, I would go with the first one here that says transfer files. Notice it's on charging only, limiting the ability of the device to do anything else. So I'm going to do transfer files. It's going to ask for your PIN or for your fingerprint. Notice that the storage system for the drive appears. And let me move this out of the way so the camera can focus. Go in here. You'll see a bunch of files. Go to DCIM. And DCIM folder will contain all your pictures. Go to camera and they'll start loading. So you see here, all of your files will show up. All of these are photos. If you look through very carefully, videos will appear as well. They're MP4, so that's a video. All the others are pictures. You can actually search for files, all right? So now you can actually access your photos. You can copy them and copy them over to your Windows or to a flash drive. All right, so that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one as to how to deal with the situation where your phone is only charging when connected to the to your PC. See you in the next one. Bye.